Here's how you can change the default home launcher of your OnePlus phone with Android 15 Oxygen OS 15. So if you don't like the system launcher your OnePlus phone comes with, you can go ahead and install some from the Play Store that are actually free. So once you finish installing them, go into the quick access, tap on the settings icon right here, and once you do that, you'll be taken to this section here. Then go all the way down to where it says apps right here. And from here, you will see default apps, this one right there. Go ahead and tap on that one time, then you'll see a list of all the default apps. From here, you're gonna look for Home app. When you enter here, your system launcher is the default one that your OnePlus comes with. You can choose to install free ones like the Nova ones or the Smart ones or any one that you find you like. Once you switch over to them, they'll prompt you on how to set it up for the first time and all that, and make some changes to your overall system layout, okay? Now, once you've done that, you can also go back to these settings I showed you a while ago and change it back to another system launcher or the original one, like it said.